Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to import a transcript on Descript. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download of course the Descript application, or you can use it in descript.com. Then you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Descript if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the left side of the screen we have the projects and quick recordings. We have the AI speaker templates and the workspace. And in the top right corner, we have the new project, which is one of the most important buttons, and of course, your profile and the settings. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and import a transcript on Descript. So create a new composition by clicking New Composition button in your project, which you can go and click on here, New Project, and click on the project. Click on File in the menu bar, then select Import Transcript. Browse your computer to find the transcript file you want to import. Descript supports various file formats, including .txt and .docx. If you have an audio or video file to match with the transcript, drag and drop it into the composition. Descript will automatically align the transcript with the media file. Once the transcript is imported, review and edit as it as needed to ensure accuracy. This method allows you to seamlessly integrate existing transcripts with your audio or video content, making the edit process more efficient. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. That will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Until then, bye guys.